All right, this is the talker story of the day.
A survey from Bank of America says that 72% of Gen Zers have a, quote, side hustle. The majority of them earn between $500 and $1,000 per month. A recent Insider article calls Gen Z the hustle generation.
Does the idea of a 9-to-5 job make you feel trapped? Are you constantly seeking more from life than just a paycheck? If so, then you are not alone. Meet Generation Z, a generation that has redefined what it means to hustle, to work, and to dream. Take, for instance, Sophia Amoruso, a Gen Z entrepreneur who started her business from the ground up. Sophia, at the tender age of 22, launched an online clothing store, Nasty Gal, from her bedroom. She hustled, she worked, and she created a multi-million-dollar empire.
Founder of Nasty Gal, a best-selling author
and a powerhouse in the entrepreneurial world.
I was rebellious from a very early age. I realized I could connect my creativity to something legitimate. Started Nasty Gal, selling vintage.
Nasty Gal went from $150,000 a year to doing $150,000 over lunch.
Sophia's story is not unique. It's the story of Gen Z. Or consider 17-year-old Yash Gupta, who after losing his glasses and realizing how essential they were, started sight learning. Sight learning has since collected and distributed over $1.5 million worth of used glasses to students in Mexico, Honduras, Haiti, and India. Yash's story is not just about his hustle, but also about his big-hearted vision to create a difference. Gen Z's hustle is not about working tirelessly, but about working smartly. It's about creating opportunities, taking risks, and breaking free from the traditional molds of success. It's about pursuing passion and not just a paycheck. These are just a few examples of Gen Z's hustle culture. Their stories are full of determination, creativity, and resilience. They are not just dreaming big, but also working hard to turn those dreams into reality. Now it's your turn to share. Do you have a hustle story to tell? Have you or someone you know followed a dream, defied odds, or turned a passion into a paycheck? Share in the comments below. Remember, every dream is valid, every hustle counts, and every story is worth sharing. So don't hold back. Share your hustle story and inspire others to dream and hustle too. That's all for today's video. If you found this inspiring, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more such stories. Until next time, keep hustling, keep dreaming, and stay inspired.
And again, especially young people who think they know what they want and don't, who have certainty and are very outspoken and do not mind going around their boss's boss to come to you. As a young generation, they're actually less equipped to deal with stress than previous generations.